This is a video of Jake laughing at a guy hitting his head and running into a glass door.
What is this door-dinging dude?
Let's see it again, Dad.
What is this door-dinging dude?
Why do you like it when people get hurt?
This door-dinging dude.
What a funny kid.
What is this door-dinging dude?
One more time.
Come here, Bev. Look at Mom.
What is this door-dinging dude?
Do it one more time. Okay, look. Watch, Jake. Watch him hit his head.
What is this door-dinging dude?
You silly. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.